Good evening, Facebook. My name is Dr. Anise Khalif, and I'm coming to you live from Acupuncture headquarters. And I firmly believe that all patients can achieve optimal health through traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture, knowing their elements, proper supplementation, and so on. And I also firmly believe if you're suffering from injuries of the ear, traumas to the ear, which is what we have been talking about all week, that we are and very capable of helping you. And today I'm going to be talking about a little bit something different that relates to the ear with acupuncture. And a lot of times I talk about my scalp technique that we help treat patients that come from, all over the world, all over the country. And there are some very special points that are different than the technique that I talk about that we use here in practice that relate to the ear. And some of the points can help ear conditions directly, and some of these points on the ear can even, help so many other conditions in the body. So yesterday and this past week, the rest of this week, we're putting posts up on ear health, from auricular health to pediatric patients, to how you can take certain supplements to improve your ear health or improve some of the conditions that you or your loved ones might be suffering with. So check out our Facebook page on Acupuncture Fit, and you'll be able to see a lot of wonderful information on there. So first of all, I want to talk about how the ear and it relates to Chinese medicine and some of these points. This is a model that I'm holding here that we use in acupuncture at our practice at Acupuncture Fit to show the different areas that we treat and how we figure out how the different points in the body relate to different conditions to your body is this. If you were to turn the ear upside down, I want you to think about this as a fetus actually in the mom's womb. And this would be the head of the fetus. This would be the spine of the fetus. And all of the organs associated with it are here. And this is how we pick the points. And the points have been mapped out through thousands of years on different conditions that it can help in the body. So if somebody suffers from headaches, all of the points are in this area of the ear. Back pain, a lot of the points are on this area of the ear. And then when we're dealing with a lot of the internal organs and such, we look at a lot of the points kind of in this area of the ear, and different protocols have been built out to literally see where these different points affect other areas of our body. It's pretty fascinating, and it works quite well. Some of the conditions that come to my head immediately that we help with auricular acupuncture are addiction. I treat a lot of patients with great success to help improve them to stop smoking. Patients with opioid addictions. I mean, this is a huge epidemic in our country right now. And even anxiety and depression I found to be very, very, very beneficial with auricular acupuncture. Now, one of the ways that we treat the ear is through using our tiny acupuncture instruments. A second way that we use to treat the ear are called ear seeds, and I'm going to show you that today. So this is a model of the ear, and there are different protocols built out for it. And right here, I have in my hand is what's called an ear seed, or a couple of ear seeds. And what they are literally seeds on a piece of tape or medical tape that are fresh colored. And I don't know how clear this is going to get into view, but what it is just a little tiny seed, and they come in different forms. This is an actually seed of a little tree initially. Mustard seeds, they come in like gold, silver, all kinds of different beadlets that are attached to this part of this little medical tape. And then what we do is apply the ear seed to a certain part or point of the ear. And here we go, I'm going to apply it to what we call shenmen. It's just a really relaxing point of the ear. And usually we put about 1 to 5, maybe six ear seeds on someone's ear, and they wear them throughout the week. I've had patients ear seeds last for up to 3 weeks. You can shower with them, and literally what they do is they stimulate a lot of these channels in the point that help different conditions in your body. It's pretty fascinating. So that's between acupuncture instruments when you come in, like for addiction or stop smoking, headaches. I've been able to treat very successfully with this little protocol. We put these on your ear and you go home with them and stimulate them. I mean, heck, it's free advertising for us too, because people, look at your ear and say, hey, what's going on with your ear? But it's very, very hard to see them on your ear because they are flesh colored. And then what patients do is they stimulate these ear seats throughout the week if they feel any of these conditions coming on. And a lot of times, patients' conditions have been able to be improved with this. It's pretty remarkable. There is a protocol that was developed out of the Bronx in New York called the NADA protocol, National Acupuncture Detoxification Association. And this protocol, there have been studies up there where parents with crack babies are born asymptomatic. And it's pretty remarkable. It's 5 points in the ear. We practice and we're certified here in our practice to practice it. So if you're interested in it or know anybody that suffers from severe addiction, even as severe as PTSD from wars or traumas, or addictions such as stop smoking, or even addictions of narcotics. There's so many ways that we can help treat patients with auricular acupuncture, and also conditions of the ear that are in and around or near it, ears that are clogged, congested. If you know anybody that suffers from severe earaches, there are some wonderful protocols with acupuncture and Oriental medicine and traditional Chinese medicine that can help these, and I'm perfectly confident in helping. So if you're liking what you're hearing, please heart this, share it with your friends and family, comment in the comment below, and if this resonates with you, please let your friends and family know that they can reach out to me. Message me right there on that messaging icon on your Facebook page. Send me a personal message and see how auricular acupuncture can help your friends or family, or if your friends or family have conditions of the ear, please reach out to us. We also have a free ebook on our Facebook page or our website. If you go to either, you can just enter in your email and download. It's absolutely free, and it talks about how the elements of traditional Chinese medicine are related to your different body types, and the body that God made you, and how we can relate that to healing and improving conditions, and even specifically conditions of the ear or acupuncture conditions that we use to help the ear. So again, my name is Dr. Anis Khalif. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'm with Acupuncture Fit. I look forward to hearing from you all and seeing and answering any of your questions that you have regarding your health and wellness, and how traditional Chinese medicine can help improve your ear health. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. My name is Dr. Anis Khalif, and have a wonderful evening.